TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the discussion assignment, Career Exploration. In Module 2, the third section, Career Exploration, you will need to read the 4 content pages before starting this assignment. The first content page is What is a Career? The second content page is Careers and Wellness. The third content page is Career Planning, begins with Knowing Yourself, and the fourth content page is Career Investigation, Know Yourself. The assignment begins on the fifth content page, Assignment Career Exploration. Carefully read the content. You will notice that choosing the career or choosing your career is probably the hardest part of this assignment. Notice all the links that we've provided for you to help. The sixth content page is the continuation of the assignment expectation. And again, read the content, understand what we're saying, look at the instructions. Now, you can present a video, PowerPoint, Prezi, but it has to be accessible without a password, please. An animation, a written essay, mind map, or poster. Presentation style is up to you. Please ensure you have the following information, and you'll see 9 points on that content page. As you scroll down, you'll notice that I've created an excellent template for you. Now, typically most students have decided to use a PowerPoint. By no means are you forced to do that. It's just that's the path that most have chosen. So I've decided to create a template to help you out with this. Let's go back to the content page. A marking rubric is here. This is the link. The marking rubric is critical because it shows you the way or the pieces of the puzzle that I use to mark your assignment. In the first part, in the criteria, there's 9 components to that you really need to understand. And if you use the template that I provided, you'll see that each slide in that PowerPoint template has one of these topics that you can use. Make it highly relevant. Analyze and evaluate your topics with great insight. And be sure to spell correctly without any grammar errors. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Before I go, you need to remember that this assignment is going in the discussions, so you would click on the discussions link, and then you will be looking for the career exploration discussion assignment, and you will be uploading your document in this thread. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please use your private discussions to communicate with me. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.